What's going on, YouTube? So this is my intro video. Welcome to the adventures of the bearded bobber. I'm bearded, she's the bobber, and this adventure started here at Indiana Redlands. It started about a little bit over a year ago. Motorcycles in my life didn't start then, but that's where this journey started with me and the bobber. And we have a lot more motorcycle adventures coming, you know, demo rides of all kinds of other bike brands. I'm not stuck to one. I do love Indian, but you know, I love any two wheels and having a good time. And I think that's what it's really about. So come along. You know, I know you're wondering, what kind of adventures are you talking about? Well, they might be random stories from my past. They might be demo rides, but that's the whole fun of it, is having an adventure. All right, you guys. So hopefully you stick around. If you do, hit that subscribe button. Hit a like every once in a while. Makes me feel good and lets me know you enjoyed the video. So come on along. Stay classy. Be safe out there, guys.